Hi there, this is Leslie. This might not be for you, but in case it is, I just wanted to share a piece of my world with you and let you know what is available in case this is something that might just work for you. Now, just to take you back, I used to be an overweight teacher with very low energy and very low self-esteem. And I couldn't really see a way beyond that in my life. But I was so fortunate to have come across this company, Herbalife Nutrition, and I found myself thinking, well, what if it could work a little bit for me? What if I could just take a piece of the action? And what if I could just make a little bit of extra money and improve my health at the same time? I honestly didn't think that any of it would work, but I took a chance on it. And to my great surprise and delight, I lost 21 pounds in weight. I lost 4 inches from my waist and 3 inches from my tummy and my hips. And I never felt better. It was the easiest thing I'd ever done. And so I started sharing my results with other people around me. And just by talking to people and sharing my product results, building a team of people who did the same thing as me, I have been able to live a life of good health, financial freedom. I've been able to be a full-time parent with my partner, Tim, and the two of us have just enjoyed life. I have had a life where I haven't had to answer to a boss. I have been fully there with my parents, with my daughter. I've been able to help my aging parents as they got on in life. And really every single day has been my choice as to what I do with it. And the company has never let me down. They've always supplied us with the very, very finest products in terms of health and nutrition. And I have been able to be confident in whatever I share with other people because I benefit from them myself. So in other words, I've continued to use these products for 3 decades now and shared them with many, many family members and many friends and many people who became friends as a result of sharing this business opportunity. And so if this is in any way ringing any bells for you, this is the reason why I'm sharing this video here today, because if you're thinking, what if this could work for me too? Or even if you're thinking, I don't think this could work for me, because that's what I thought. Maybe if you are looking for a way to either improve your health or to become financially independent, as I have done, then why not drop me a message, send me an email, get in touch with me in whatever way, shape or form works for you. I'm going to be leaving some links around this video. And if you haven't already got a Herbalife nutrition coach, I am currently wanting to share this opportunity by mentoring a few people just one-on-one. I will help you to get the results that you might want to get with your body, your health, your nutrition, and your financial future. We can do all of those things. Let's have a chat about it. Maybe, as I said, it's not for you. And if it's not for you, that's fine. Find out anyway. Just get in touch with me and we can talk about possibilities, and let's hope that we can make a difference to your future, just as it's made a difference to mine. So I look forward to seeing you soon and to speaking to you for a no obligation chat. It doesn't cost much to get started. It's surprisingly the price of a pair of shoes. So there's like not a major investment if that's something you were worried about. Anyone can do it. And if I did, I can show you how you can too. So talk to you soon. Bye for now.